Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zendesk Support widget and customize customer UI experience, full guide step by step clearly. To install the Zendesk Support widget, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin panel located in the left sidebar. From the admin panel, select the Channels option. In the Channels section, find and click on Widget. Here, you will see an option to enable the widget if it's not already active. Turn on the widget by toggling the Enable button. Next, review the installation instructions provided on the page. You will need to copy the code snippet given for the widget installation. Now, go to your website where you want to add the support widget. Open the HTML file or the content management system where you can edit your site's code. Paste the copied widget code snippet before the closing /body tag in your HTML. Save the changes and refresh your website to see the widget in action. Now that the widget is installed, let's customize the customer UI experience. Return to the Zendesk admin panel and go back to the widget section. Here, you will find options to customize the appearance of your widget. You can change the color, size, and position of the widget to match your website's theme. Using the customization options, select a primary color that aligns with your brand. Adjust the button and text size for better visibility and accessibility. You can also set a greeting message to enhance customer interaction. This message will be displayed when users first engage with the widget. Additionally, decide if you want to show or hide certain features, like the chat button or knowledge base links. Make sure to test the widget on various devices to ensure a seamless experience. After customizing, save your settings in the widget section. Now, visit your website again to see the updated widget with the new customizations. Ensure it functions as expected by testing the interaction features. If you need further adjustments, return to the customization options in the Zendesk admin panel. By following these steps, you successfully installed and customized the Zendesk Support widget. This will enhance the customer support experience on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.